Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. That's right, we're here with another grab bag special. This is a special grab bag special because it's a one-item grab bag special. I found it at the America's Thrift Store, and it is a bank of all things. It was $1. $1. In fact, let's see. There's the play section. So it's a Summit brand. It was 2010. And it is Funny Farm Bank Push. Hang on. I don't know what noise it's making. Is it an alarm? Maybe that's the alarm that's... There's a coin in there. I don't know how you get the coins out. Maybe it's like this. Maybe you have to unscrew it. Well, I'll tell you what, it is a bank, but it sounds like the alarm is going off. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I'll just take the label off. Let me, because the label's covering the little compartment for the battery. Ah, those labels. Let's see here. Maybe I can just replace the battery, and maybe that'll do it. But I thought this was cool for $1. I thought it was kind of fun. It has all the little doors that you can open. We're going to open those in a little bit. But it seems like a lot of fun. I don't know for sure until we get a set of batteries in that actually work. Okay, so there we go. All right, so there's 1, 2 batteries, just like that. 1, 2, that one made it. Okay, I got a collection spot over there. All right, so let's put them in the AA batteries, just like that. They go in. And this little apparatus here goes down there and it shuts it. I'm going to use the screwdriver and seal it off. All right, so let's try this again. Here we go. You ready?
Oh, well, we're saving money down on the farm, down on the farm, down on the farm, saving money down on the farm. Wanna be a millionaire.
Nice. Woo-hoo. Nice. And wouldn't you know it, I don't have any coins, but I'll tell you what, let's see here, hold on. I pushed another button back here. That's a pig. That's a cow. That's a cat. That's a, what is it, a sheep?